iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and in this video we're going to talk about will and be going to. So as you can see in the mind map, we have things that are the same and things that are different between the two. So let's first go over the things that are the same. Will and be going to both indicate a future action. So, for example, I will go to Paris next year, and I'm going to buy a new pair of shoes. So this sentence uses will, and this sentence uses be going to. They both indicate future actions. Now let's look at the differences. So we have be going to and will. So be going to indicates a planned activity for the future and a prediction in the near future with a clear sign. So let's look at some examples of a planned activity for the near future. I bought these tickets yesterday. I'm going to see that film tonight. Now an example with a prediction in the near future with a clear sign. There are many black clouds in the sky. It's going to rain. Okay, so as you can see, this is a prediction in the near future with a clear sign. Now let's look at will. So for will, we have some rules. We use will when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. For example, someone is knocking on the door. I will open it. We also use will for requests, invitations, and offers. For example, will you shut the door, please? Next, we use will with predictions for some verbs and phrases. So I believe he will pass the exam. Next, will is used in a question tag after an imperative. For example, pass me that book, will you? Okay, so these are all about will and be going to, similarities and differences. You can come back to this mind map if you need to in the near future. So now let's go ahead and go to the outline together. Click here for the outline. Now you have your outline for will and be going to. So you can scroll through this outline to see further examples, situations, and further explanations of how to use will and be going to. After you do that, you can click here to take the test. And in the next video, we're going to take the test together. So thank you very much for joining me in this video where we learned about will and be going to. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.